Hello, class. This is the second part of your context. It is book exploration. This is a short 2-day assignment project. So what you're going to need is your Chromebook, and I want you to look at the following slides that highlight interesting historical books. Choose one of the books, and you're going to be making a slideshow with the context information. So the information that has to go on the slideshow is slide 1, the title of the book, slide 2, who wrote or discovered the book. Some of these don't have specific authors. So if they don't have a specific author that's known, think about what type of people is theorized that wrote the book. Are they monks? Are they priests? Are they scientists or scribes, or what are they? And if you don't have a specific author, also write down who discovered the book. The when, what is the approximate age of the book? In other words, what time period does it come from? The where is the location the book was created. The how, what was the book made out of? This might take a little digging. Read closely for materials and also look. Remember to use your Google. Do more than one sources, and also it works really well sometimes just to ask Google the question, what was the book, whatever it's called, made out of? Type that into your search and see what happens. And then what topic of the book? What did the book discuss or deal with or talk about? And then for bonus points, create an illustration in the style of the book. I do have a template made for the slideshow, so you really just have to punch in those answers and illustrations. However, feel free to change it up. Okay, book choice 1 is the Egyptian Book of the Dead. We did talk about this before in the context. I could not find my copy of it. I'm assuming it's in storage because it's not something I would have thrown out. It's really, really cool, and probably the oldest book on your choices. Book 2 is the Book of Kells. I also spoke about this briefly in the history of books. This is just a really interesting and incredible work of art. Book 3 is the Ripley Scroll, which is a different type of book. Instead of having the turning pages, it's a scrolled kind of thing. This takes a little bit more digging. There's not quite as much information on it as there is on the first two. Book 4 is the Popol Vuh, which I'm sure I'm saying wrong. This is a Mayan book. Again, it is made in their format, and this also takes a little bit more digging to find the information, but it's really, really worth it. Just another gorgeous book. And book 5 are the Scivias, and this is a very interesting kind of book. I did not talk about it in here, but when we talked about Art 1 and Outsider Art, I did talk about it there. And make sure when you look that up as the book. Okay? So those are your 5 to choose from. And then you're going to turn it in. I have the template for you. You can change it. Each slide should have the information on it that's requested and a picture from the book. Make sure you're getting the picture from the book that you're looking at, because a lot of times if you just Google search images with that book in there, you'll get related pictures as well. So make sure to check your sources and remember to answer the questions. Okay? And then over on the right is one of my favorite ancient books, is the Smithfield Dectrals, which were actually very serious book of laws, but the margins are illustrated with lots of angry rabbits. Yeah, like these guys. Angry rabbits. All right. That's it. If you have questions or need direction, please contact me and let's see what you do.